What's going on? It's your boy Pack, and today we are reviewing and unboxing the new Apple AirPod 3rd generation. Alright, today I bought the Apple AirPods at retail price $179. The reason I bought these is because I have the AirPod 2nd generation, but these, it says that they last you about 5 hours listening time, but whenever I use these, maybe they last about 3 hours max, especially if I'm watching videos. I think the 5-hour listening time is like based on music. So I decided to upgrade to these. Listening time is up to 6 hours and the quality is supposed to be better. So here we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. The easy to open box tells you right here where to pull. And then Apple always has that ability to just open itself via gravity. Here we have the instructions, probably some Apple stickers, maybe not. Maybe that's just an old school thing. And here we have this. This is always satisfying to remove. And here we have a comparison of the 2nd generation to the 3rd generation. Slightly wider, but it is shorter. Now, there we go. Oh, we're gonna have to pair these with my phone. There you have it. We'll take these out. Now, these look like they are angled slightly different than the 2nd generation. They look more like the AirPod Pros, if you will. So the reason I didn't upgrade to the AirPod Pros is because I like the way the 2nd generation fits, and I'm not a big fan of the rubbers that the AirPods Pro come with. So I decided to go with the 3rd generation. Hopefully they fit the same, and then we'll go ahead and give that a try. In less than a minute, the AirPods have been connected to my phone. First test we're gonna do is how they fit. So they do feel thicker than the 2nd generation, but they do fit comfortably in my ears. They're not coming out. Cool. Now, we're gonna do the listening test. What should we listen to, guys? We're gonna listen to Industry Baby by Lil Nas X and Jack Harlow. Banging. I can actually tell the difference of the sound quality. The bass is definitely deeper and it just sounds way better than the 2nd generation. Features: case is MagSafe compatible, so you don't necessarily have to charge it from the bottom. If you have the wireless charger, place it on there and it will charge the case for you. These are also sweat and water resistant. I have worked out in the 2nd generation and they also do well with the sweat factor, but I guess they're not necessarily made for that. These will be guaranteed. I've heard people have actually put these in the wash and they still work. So differences between this and the AirPods Pro, obviously the rubber ear tips do not come with this, but that's okay. I don't like those. If you do enjoy those, or if the regular AirPods don't fit your ears, you want to go with the AirPod Pros. Unlike the AirPod Pros, these do not have noise cancellation or the transparency mode, which I think is actually a pretty cool feature that the AirPod Pros have, and I wish they did come in this, but unfortunately they don't. And I think the main difference that people are gonna be noticing if you're used to the 2nd generation is that these are not tap based. Like if you want to skip a song, you usually just tap the headphones. These, you have to pinch the corner of it. There is a like little indent here in which you can press to play, press escape, or whatever function you need to do with it. Another function this has is if you lose these have the same function as the AirTags. So if you have the Find My app on your phone, you should be able to find your headphones if you lose them. And that is my quick review of the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. All in all, I think I'm going to be satisfied with the audio quality and the fact that the battery is going to last longer. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Deuce.